talk to them. And them man, inside the wall, the people want to come down with that.
Can you weed in the plant?
December, different design, different meditation, different. New year, we find a new year. Come, they get grab you. January, February, March, April, May, June.
New year, we find a new year. Who are on the day disappear, never the same. Another the one night, another the one night. New year, we find a new year. Who are on the day disappear, never the same. Another the one night here. Now matter we come to this again. That time you know we can see it again. No, you know I'm here, you know life. One time my day, I go from people who feel money, we are about to die, no one of the same. I wrote and love class, so we let you like you like some of them. So, maybe I don't New year, we find a new year. Who are on the day disappear, never the same. Another the one night here. New year, we find a new year.
want to deal with.
And it's a protege, eh?
Yeah,
Chronics are where you say, eh?
yeah.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Yeah. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? I just go where the trade wind blows, sending love to my friends and foes, and that's a
Says fans are in for a treat as a number of projects and tours are coming.
I leave October, come back November, and I leave and come back to Africa in Japan, isn't it? Now I want Caribbean tour line up same way. Right now I'm writing a mixtape, EP and album I reckon. I just make the mixtape first, then the EP, then the album. So I go for the store.
That is dancehall artist to Leroy Russell, more popularly known as Tommy Lee. I'm Jay, the next info. Everything you need to know every hour for the
Your dreams today with the ultimate off-road package from NCB. With rates as low as 8.39%, your dream car is waiting for you. Get up to 100% financing, 8.5 years to repay, and up to 70% discount with HIC's multi-year motor insurance. Make your dream car a reality with an NCB auto loan today. Call 1-888-NCB first or visit your nearest branch to get started today. NCB, with your best foot forward.